Welcome back to Global Design Diaries. Today, we are exploring one of the most inspiring movements in modern architecture, biophilic homes. These are homes designed to bring people closer to nature, blending the built environment with the living world around us. At its core, biophilic design is about connection. Humans have always had a natural bond with the outdoors. When we are surrounded by greenery, sunlight, and flowing water, we feel calmer, healthier, and more creative. Biophilic homes take this idea and turn it into architecture. One of the simplest features is natural light. Large windows, skylights, and open layouts flood rooms with sunlight, reducing the need for artificial lighting and boosting our mood. Studies show that homes filled with natural light help regulate sleep patterns and increase productivity. Next is greenery. Biophilic homes often include indoor gardens, living walls, or even entire trees growing inside atriums. These green spaces clean the air, reduce stress, and bring a sense of tranquility into daily life. Imagine cooking dinner next to a vertical herb garden or relaxing in a living room where vines climb up the walls. Water is another element often included. From small fountains to indoor reflecting pools, water features add a soothing sound and cooling effect to the home. Combined with natural airflow and ventilation, they make interiors more comfortable while reducing reliance on artificial systems. Materials also play a huge role. Biophilic design emphasizes wood, stone, clay, and other natural finishes that remind us of the earth. These textures not only look beautiful, they feel grounding and authentic. Instead of sterile spaces, biophilic homes feel warm and alive. Even the layout itself is shaped by nature. Architects design spaces that flow like landscapes, with curves instead of sharp corners, open areas that mimic meadows, and cozy nooks that feel like protective shelters. This design language creates comfort while encouraging exploration. Biophilic homes are not just about beauty, they are about wellness. Research shows that living in close contact with nature lowers stress, improves concentration, and even speeds up healing. By designing with nature, architects are not only shaping homes, they are shaping healthier lives. From high-tech eco-homes in Singapore to sustainable retreats in Costa Rica, biophilic design is reshaping the way we think about living spaces. It proves that modern architecture does not have to fight against nature, it can flow with it. As cities grow, biophilic homes are becoming more than a trend, they are becoming a necessity. They remind us that we are part of the natural world. And when we design with that truth in mind, we create spaces that are sustainable, resilient, and deeply human. Subscribe to Global Design Diaries for more design stories that connect architecture, innovation, and the future of living.